India and Greece have signed a joint declaration of intent to strengthen defense industrial cooperation, launching a 5-year roadmap after talks between the two defense ministers in New Delhi. Both sides also exchanged the bilateral military cooperation plan for 2026, outlining future military engagements and cooperation. Greek media has reported that Greece is planning to jointly develop loitering munitions with India, as part of expanding defense industrial cooperation between the two countries. India has offered its indigenous Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher system to Greece, signaling potential future collaboration in rocket artillery and long-range firepower. Defense Secretary R.K. Singh has said that Russia has assured India that the remaining two S-400 air defense system squadrons will be delivered this year, with one scheduled for June and the other for November. Russia's Industry and Trade Minister has said that contracts have already been signed in the Middle East for the sale of the Su-57 fifth-generation fighter, citing strong interest while withholding details. The Indian Army has handed over 50 military utility vehicles to the Nepal Army, underscoring the enduring bond between the two forces. India's MKU Limited has formed a joint venture in Saudi Arabia with Sandoz Advanced Industry that will focus on local manufacturing of advanced armor and protection solutions. A pre-bid meeting for a proposed 6-ton class Indigenous high-altitude long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle was held recently, that is envisaged to operate at around 40,000 feet with an endurance of roughly 25 hours, enabling long-duration surveillance and precision strike missions. Bangalore-based AXISCADES Technologies has secured a production order worth around 280 crore rupees to supply avionics hardware for the Tejas Mark 1A fighter jet. The contract covers mission-critical electronic hardware including the mission computer and smart multifunction display. India has unveiled an indigenous 80mm rocket system at the World Defence Show 2026 in Riyadh, developed jointly by IIT Madras and Bharat Electronics Limited. Designed for armed helicopters such as Rudra and Prachand, the rocket offers short-range high-accuracy strike capability with an engagement envelope of around 12 kilometers. India's Tejas Mark 1A fighter jet has successfully validated a HALE design twin adapter launcher for the ASRAM close combat missile during flight trials, marking a key step in indigenous weapons integration. Fitted on the outboard wing station, the launcher enables two ASRAMs to be carried and fired from a single pylon, while maintaining aerodynamic stability and high G performance. The DRDO has begun conceptual work on the 10,000 km range K-7 and 12,000 km plus K-8 next-generation submarine-launched ballistic missiles. Both the K-7 and K-8 is expected to approach top global standards in SLBM performance, offering intercontinental range. India has already begun constructing first two S-5 class nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines that will carry longer and heavier missiles like the K-6, K-7 and K-8, allowing these submarines to operate from secure waters while keeping even the most distant adversaries firmly within reach. Russia has showcased its new 300mm Sarma multiple launch rocket system at the World Defence Show 2026 in Riyadh, which is a lighter and more mobile alternative to the Tornado S rocket system, carrying 6 launch tubes and weighing nearly 10 tons less. This allows fast shoot and scoot operations, with a full salvo fired in 18 seconds, and relocation in under 3 minutes. The system can fire rockets up to 120 km in range across 3 variants, placing it firmly in the deep strike category. Russian officials have said that the new Sarma system's 120 km rockets can also be used on India's current Smerch launchers, which means India wouldn't need to buy entirely new systems to get that extended range. If India chooses to adopt these rockets, it could extend the relevance of its Smerch regiments without requiring a complete overhaul of existing launchers. Today's top 3 comments.